Hey guys, what's up? Well guys, in this video I will teach you how to take the screenshot from the mobile Realme one, that is the latest updated video launched by the Oppo mobile. Well guys, this is very easy to do. You do not need to worry about it. What you have to do is just what what you have to just use three fingers of your left hand or right hand, doesn't matter. You can use any of your hand, three finger, and then scroll down from top to bottom as like I'm going to do, right? See, you can see this is the way you can just it is very simple to do, nothing scientific or rocket science kind of things. Any person, every time, at any circumstances, you can do, right? So now you are able to do this by your own. So thank you so much guys to watching my video. You can edit, you can send, you can delete as well, right guys? So this is the way you can do this. Like this video, subscribe this channel, and share this video to everyone so that everyone can able to do this very small function but very important function, right? Okay, thank you so much guys.